Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to add or remove context menu in Windows 11 or 10 that name is Boot to Advanced Startup. In case your Windows gets corrupted, then you see on a screen advanced options. You can add this option in your Windows 10 or 11 right click context menu also, but you need to take the help of registry editor. So let me start without any delay how it works. First you need to open registry editor. For that, press Windows plus R key on the keyboard, then type regedit in the text box and press enter or click OK on the keyboard. Then you need to copy and paste this one details from this video description. Then it will take you up to directly cell key. Here you need to right click on the cell key and select new key option. Name it advanced startup and press enter on the keyboard. On the opposite side, right side of advanced startup key, right click on the free space and select new string value. You need to name it as MUIVERB. Then press enter twice and type boot to advanced startup in the value data field and click on this one OK button. Now again right click on the free space on right side of the advanced startup key and select a string value. Name this as position. Twice press enter on the keyboard. Here type bottom to show this context menu in the bottom and click on this one OK button. Now right click on this one advanced startup key and select new key option and name it command. Press enter on the keyboard. On the right side you will see a default res sz. Double click on this one and here enter, and you need to here enter shutdown .exe space slash r space slash o space slash f space slash t space 00 and click on this one OK button. Close the registry editor. Now right click on Windows 11, select more options and you will see boot to advanced startup. Clicking on this option, it will take you up to this one advanced options window. Thanks for watching this video.